Hi, my name is Praphul and I teach machine learning at INSOFE. Before joining INSOFE, I worked for several years in the industry. I worked for about 11 years at Hewlett-Packard, the first 7 years at Hewlett-Packard Labs, which was their central research division, and the last 4 years in HP were at HP Analytics Data Labs. Prior to joining HP, I was at Texas Instruments, where I worked on embedded systems, and prior to that I had a couple of short stints at Lucent and in consulting in the US. From an academics background, my bachelor's and master's are in electronics engineering. I have a postgraduate diploma in public policy and my PhD is from the Indian Institute of Science. I worked for several years in the industry, and I think all three things are important. It is important to have an intuitive understanding of the algorithms because that gives you a way to look at real-world problems and understand where to use machine learning and how to use it. Having hands-on experience is important, and that is what our labs provide because it allows you to work with real-world data sets and apply these algorithms to derive insights. It is also important to have the mathematical understanding so that you can understand what the output of an algorithm is telling you. And that is what we try to do here at INSOFE. Try to explain the intuition, the mathematical concepts, and hands-on implementation for machine learning. One of the things that I really like about teaching in a classroom setting is what teachers like to call the aha moment. This is a moment when you're explaining a concept and the students in the class really get it. This is a enjoyable experience both for the students and for the teachers because what they previously thought was a complex concept, they begin to understand it. Several concepts and algorithms in machine learning are like that. They are fairly intuitive to understand once you get why they work. And that is what we try to do at INSOFE, to try to explain both the intuition and the mathematical concepts behind machine learning and the algorithms.